a business, ain't it?
It's a business.
Got some goddamn. You need the tools to work.
Motherfucker think them goddamn them dumpster people ain't true. Them that's a mafia. I'm saying them dumpster motherfuckers coming out goddamn. You'll pay the dumpster, they'll haul your shit off too.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn. Well, yeah.
She showed me a text the other day, goddamn. He had sent me some money.
Man, I ain't know.
They finna haul my shit out.
I ain't know all this information, y'all. They renting all these tools and shit. They in debt. Fucking with these tools. That shit too much, man. That shit too much. Who that up there with the follow? Bruscles, Whack, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the follow, we got Mr. Rich, 57. We got 87 Blazer. Must be a big track cleanup. Hey man, you don't hear no burnout, do you? I don't even be looking. I'm just enjoying the time, chilling. I know what else I could be doing. Is that Jordan? No, that ain't him. Damn, finna fall. Finna see if I can find silver dollar. What's silver dollar at? Nothing. I'm looking. I wanted to look at silver dollar.
Excuse me?
I wanted to look at silver dollar.
It ain't that bad.
Where it says, so we can look at it. It's on the open trailer. Oh, okay, here we go. I see it.
Y'all get to the room, we gonna bag them. Y'all get to the room right there, guys. Y'all wake up. Get to the room.
Alright.
Yeah, the light clear up, we had to knock out real quick. We got back-to-back road races coming your way. On the side where we get Big Draco taking over the whole wild. Keep on it. On the back of it. Taking over it.
Look out. Hey, look out. I told him I needed the bomb tune on my car. He said y'all tune LS. Y'all work on LS cars with Holly Systems.
Yeah, if it's got the Holly on it, I can do it.
Okay, I got a Holly Terminator X Max.
Yeah, I can tune that.
When I can bring it over there? When y'all got a slot
And
open?
just I can get stuff in pretty short notice. Just send me a message on Facebook
Okay,
because we're friends on Facebook.
okay. What's your name on Facebook?
Dave DeRamus.
Dave DeRamus. All right, I'm gonna message you. I'm gonna message you and let you know what I got, what I'm working with, and see what you can do with it.
Okay.
All right, appreciate it, sir. Already, man. I thank you, man. Heck yeah. All right, I done found the bomb tune, y'all. He said he'll do it. That's all I need to know. Oh, man, I'm finna say, well, he gonna get it right. Drop my shit off down there at the bomb. Baby, is that why I want I think that's like a 82 model like mine. Jumping on my rhythm. Ha